Okay, friends, we are back. Had to take a couple of days break, but there's new exciting opportunities, new information about Articulate putting out a new version of Storyline, or let's say AI assistant within Storyline. We've been waiting for artificial intelligence to kick in any L&D profession or any L&D app per se, and Articulate seems to be the one doing a good thing moving forward with that. Obviously, we've seen already work from Is Easy, and we've seen some AI stuff from iSpring, for example. And so those are tools that are pioneering things, right? So from that perspective, I'm interested in seeing what Storyline 360 is bringing in with AI. What are you capable of doing with AI? This video is either going to be a reaction to David Anderson's videos, because he just posted like 3 videos today on that, or is going to be me actually showing you the tool. Why? Well, the problem is for AI assistant, you need to either have it available in your account or have a Teams admin do the permissions. So obviously I'm my own Teams admin, so we're gonna go chase that, and then we'll see all the capabilities you can do here. Apparently you can write and replace images. So we got image generation, we got text creation, and we also have quiz generation and question generation. That seems all exciting. However, what is it that you're going to be able to do? We're going to test that. How good is it going to be? We're going to take a look at it. I don't know. But if it's anything what I hope it is, and they usually do a great job of doing things, then it should be exciting. Otherwise, it's another iPhone 16 release. All right, let's go. Okay, so checking my info, as I was saying in the beginning, like you may have this question, which is my problem right now. If I show you my Storyline, I got my cool interaction here. Let me show you real quick. So we got some cool interaction happening over here with our forklift operation. This is a module that I actually embedded into Rise so people can operate a forklift. You know, I got a block here. Do I have a block? Yes, look at me, I'm putting a block on it. So people can move a forklift, move the forklift dial, and move everything here. So you move this up, and you know, when you change the positions here, it would actually move that over there. So I have that program this way. So it's an interaction at school. But let's say, well, in the front end, I don't really have anything. It's just a blank screen, and I wanted to generate some text. Well, it turns out what is said is you go here to your text box, and in the home tab, there will be stuff here for AI. Well, I don't have it. So let's see what I need to fix, which is going to here and saying, well, team admins, go there. Okay, let me do that. Okay, and like all things business, most likely these folks are going to charge you for a little extra for this, and that's a little crazy. Then if we start thinking about it, I don't want to freak out, but I'm saying you're going to be paying more for Articulate already when you can just use ChatGPT $20 a month and do that. So I want to see what that increase in the pricing is going to be, because otherwise the customer, I don't know. I mean, it happens right in the app, but why would they going to charge you more for this? Are they going to charge you more for this? Let's see. Oh, look at that. So you have to pay another $135.62. Okay, my friends, so let me tell you what I had to do to get this going. So first of all, yes, you have to pay the money to get in there or get in some kind of free trial. I couldn't really get into a free trial. Second, you have to go to your admin account. Well, actually, what really worked for me, well, you have to enable it in the admin account. And I had to go and also uninstall from my Parallels instance. I have to uninstall the applications and download and install them again. That's how it actually worked. Now I'm going to show you something pretty cool. You probably wonder, okay, Storyline 360, I don't have that. How do I get it? Well, if you're on Windows, that's cool. But if you're on Mac, you're going to need Parallels. Parallels is like the best application you can use because Parallels allows you to have a virtual machine inside your machine. So you can have a Windows machine running into your Mac, inside your Mac. So basically you can run a Ford Pinto inside of a Ferrari. Isn't that awesome? All right, cool. Let's get back to the video. Okay, opening up the old project. If it's not this, then I can guess that is because you have to, it starts with new projects and not old projects. I don't know. There we go. Now we got this, which is different. See, I wasn't getting that before. So there's your little introductional stuff. Okay, introduction stuff. There you go. Again, there's a how-to course as well. Cool. So as we mentioned, right, I have this cool interaction. It's an interactive interaction. I'm going to pop it up here. Now we're going to go to the first slide, and I'm going to click here, and there we are, my friends. Look at that. We got insert text, we got edit text, insert image, and insert audio. Ooh, this is going to give out for a lot of videos. I understand now why David released like 3 videos out there. But okay, so let's work with insert text, right? So we're going to go here. Give me this is what you're going to see a lot of people do, right? So like right, you're supposed to say write an eye-catching title for a forklift operation basics course. Boom. All right, see what happens. Mastering forklift of it. See, this is okay, cool, whatever. But that's gonna be a problem because yeah, when you go to ChatGPT, and this is pretty much what's happening here in many cases, it's using that language, and you're gonna start seeing a lot of unlocks or stuff like that. So we'll see what happens here. So, all right, write a welcome Okay, so I'm doing this on purpose. I'm not giving it more details. Introducing the course. It should be saying introducing the forklift basis course. We'll see what happens. Okay, so welcome to this course. We're excited to join us on this learning course. Okay, cool. All right, so there is your text, and you put that in. All right, nice. Now, this is cool. It's great. I think if you're in a pinch, you can actually do something cool with it. And obviously, if you're wondering, okay, Storyline, you know, if we're not doing things from formatting and mastering and all this stuff, you can quickly, you know, pop something here, do a background, and then run with it, and then you'll be ready for your next thing. So there is our good friend, the image, right? The text. So that's cool. And we can actually grab here and insert an image. So I'm going to go ahead and use the insert image. So we'll describe something, and that will be workers operating a forklift at a BC warehouse. Okay, workers operative warehouse image style. Cool. So it's picking up on the things that you find on Firefly and others. So that's good. I like they did that. That's pretty cool. And you got 8-bit and you got origami and you got things like that. So this is great because if you're doing, let's say, like a video game, you can use the 8-bit. Definitely going to have fun doing videos about this. And then extra expressionism and editorial and vector blues. Okay, so what to pick? Because you have to study the styles and actually really know what's going to hit or not. But let's say I'm going to choose watercolor. All right, boom. See what happens there. And I'm not altering the speed in here. I want to see how fast we're doing things. Okay, cool. So there it is. Oh, man, that is great. That is fantastic. Good job. Cool. That's what I like about them. You know, one thing I like about Articulate, right, is they may be not the first ones out there, but they definitely do good work. They put good stuff out. Their software, since they went cloud, is not as buggy. It's not buggy in that many cases, actually, not at all, I would say. I don't have any issues with that. I don't have any issues with that before. And yeah, that's cool. So there you go. Boom. So you can place this around, you know, mess around with the thing, and boom, and you get adding graphics to it. That's nice. I like it. I like it. Pretty cool. If I'm going to match it with the, you know, I don't have a theme set for this or anything, but so we do that, or more like that. There you go. Get that. Contrast ratios. There we go. Something like that. Whatever. So you got your thing. Then you got that. Okay. Cool. And then there's the, well, this wouldn't really work here, but we see how this works, right? So you can actually select the image. Is there no edit image? See, I'm grabbing it here. So far, I can see that there's like an edit image. So it's not like you can click here, I think, and say, well, I'm going to change it to something else. All right, so we got that there. That's cool. And then you have the AI, text-to-speech, voices, and sound effects. Ooh, that's a big one. Nice stuff. I'm excited for that. See what happens. Sound effects. Where's that picking from? Describe the sound effect. Okay. Magic chime. And you got the seconds. Okay, so on the sounds, it gives you 4 different samples. That's nice. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so I say the money is quite worth it. You guys did a great job. Who else do they want? Who do they go for voices? Let's see. I don't know.
I'd rather regret the things that I have.
Okay. See some emotional voices there. Could it be, I don't know.
One today is worth 2 tomorrows.
Nice. Good work. They got some emotive voices there too. So good all around for that. Text to speech.
Our distrust is very expensive. Our distrust is very expensive.
Okay, we got Laura there. Cool.
Life isn't about finding yourself.
Yeah, okay. Nice. All right. I have from slides notes. I don't have them on slides notes. You know, it'd be kind of cool, though, if you could just grab that text, turn it into text to speech from the text box. Like, I know you can copy, but like if we do this right here, right? It's got to be there. I'm assuming it's got to be there. Like, you can see, that's what I want to see. Like, if you select the text, this will be a cool idea. So you just select the text, right? Go to audio, and then would it run in voices or text? It's got to be running in text to speech, right? Wouldn't it be running on voices? Yeah, you can find the voice there. Okay. And it runs here. But see how it doesn't pick the text? So that should be a feature coming up. Because otherwise, you got to copy it. You got to copy that. Then go to insert audio, text to speech, and then pop it in here or pop it in your notes, right? So your notes is, I'll show you the notes thing. But so what happened, buddy? Oh, generate the speech. So yeah, one thing you have to remember, if you watch any of the other videos that are down here, you select, if you select an avatar or if you have text, it has to be converted to audio. So you have to do that step of generate.
Welcome to the course. We are excited to have you join us on this learning journey. Throughout this course, you will explore key concepts and develop essential skills that will enhance your understanding and application of this.
Cool. That is awesome too. Oh man, I'm loving it. So far, and it's not McDonald's. Ha. So far, that's pretty awesome. Great job, Articulate. You got my thumbs up. And, well, you know, David is freaking amazing out there. He's always doing some great tutorials you can check out. I'll put the links to the videos that he's putting out too. I'm going to be covering it from my perspective, adding, you know, working in Storyline. I'm going to start doing some Storyline videos. I was waiting because I was so excited about the AI stuff that, you know, there's also quizzes, which I haven't covered yet, and we haven't gone into it. And there's also questions and stuff like that. So definitely that's going to render itself for a lot more video since we're doing a lot of AI, instructional design and learning development here. There's also RISE. We have to look at RISE and what it's in there. So what do you think? Is it cool? Is it not? Let me know in the comments. It's got to be cool.